welcome back to another vlog. And I'm in my same position in bed, just waking up. It's what, like, I don't know, 7, 8 in the morning, and I keep going back to sleep and waking up, and now I'm just like, no, forget it, I'm waking up now, so I'm awake. And I've got a lot of things to do today. I feel like what have I got to do? I need to have a bath, walk the dog, film a load of videos. I've got so many video ideas. My new Rev stuff is coming today. I'm so excited for that. Oh, I might have a smoothie for breakfast. My partner bought me a load of fruit yesterday, so I'm thinking a smoothie. I need to shave the dog a little bit. That's gonna be fun. I might actually film it because you'll see her having a go at me having a go at her. It's like a whole forwards and backwards thing. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I got a Primark haul try on to film that includes this shirt as well. I've actually basically worn all the stuff that I really like, and there's a few, because I've tried on everything already, there's a few things that I really don't like. But I'll try it on for you again and show you why I don't like it. But yeah, let's maybe just get on with the day, really, shouldn't we? I say that I've started filming just so that I know, okay, I'm awake now, I have to get on with the day, but who knows, I could lay here for another hour. Had my bath and now eating, as you would have seen, a bagel and a smoothie, which I have quite a lot of it, so might not actually finish all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. I did all the washing up, so I'm happy about that. Now eat, walk the dog, do this hair and film. So sad, the postman just came and it wasn't me, it was Amazon. So annoying. I have got the hugest mess to clean up, so we're just gonna clean this up now because I need to film a favorites video and this is just stressing me out, literally. This little highlight here, this Ofra one, amazing. Don't know why I keep it in boxes, but well, actually no, I can throw the box now because it's not the Steph one. By the way, if you're wondering what is on my eyes, it's this bad boy. This is so nice, literally. This is what it looks like. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I can actually pull it away now, so anything I can put away I'm gonna put up there. Also wearing these lashes, Primark, trust me, is so nice. This Primark cheek tint, really nice too, so I'm gonna put it in my everyday drawers. These I'm gonna put away. So this happened. One of those shadow palettes are missing and the mermaid palette is missing, so it's going to be a nice little email to Revolution. But other than that, I've got some Barry M bits as well. This is what I'm looking like. Just finished filming my Primark haul and had the biggest rant I've ever had about Primark clothing, because I'm sending so much stuff back, it's unbelievable. This dress I'm sending back just because I didn't really feel it, like it just didn't suit me. It accentuated my hips, which you would have seen in my Primark haul. This blue top didn't fit me. A pair of trousers didn't fit me. Mum jeans didn't fit me. Paper bag waist ones didn't fit me, and I got them in the size 20. Like, I was saying like I should have got like a size 24, but it's ridiculous. I'm like an 18. Why am I getting size 24? Just a little, what are these called? These tops, they have a name on them. I don't know, these kind of gypsy type tops my mum calls them. I didn't kind of like that one because it fell instead of staying up or like being able to go whichever way, it just fell. I actually got this top, but as you can see I've dropped food down it already. So yeah, half of this, the bag that's going back is actually bigger than the bag that I'm keeping. So weird. So I spent £142. I think about 80 quid is going back. So yeah, so sad. But I did do try on clips and I've like pictures of it, what it looks like on me, so people more my size can kind of tell if they should get it really. But yeah, I'm just not happy. I'm really not happy. So film that. Now I'm gonna film a lip swatch video with the Megan's just posted me something. She's amazing. Thank you, Megan. I cannot wait to try that Lottie London highlight palette. I just ordered a few things from Lottie London and Megan was like, don't order the highlight, I have it and you can have it. And I was like, what? So she's so amazing. She's sending it out to me. Thank you. But yeah, I am going to be doing a lip swatch video for these because you know how much I love a good lip swatch videos. These are the new Revolution Pro lipsticks. These are more of the shinier versions. They've got these, some of these in like the matte bullets that I've done lip swatch videos for already, but now they've got them in the shine version. So I think I'm going to film that and then take this off, film a full face of the new Relove stuff. I think I might actually do like a lip swatch video of these because I bought like 5 of them. They're called baby glosses and they're literally tiny. Like this is the size of a normal one that they have, and then this is the size of the glosses. So yeah, crazy that, isn't it? But I do think they were like £3. I'm excited to try this though. Really excited. I think, yeah, let me do a lip swatch of that. Oh, I got some Barry M bits as well. I got the new powder bronzer. I got this in the medium shade because I'm in an RM, but I'm quite glad I got the medium shade. Like, yeah, once you blend it out, it'll be fine. My face is a lot darker than the rest of my body, let's just say that. It's really nice. It's a ready toned one, which means it will make you look really like sun-kissed. So yeah, looks much harsher on camera than it does. So that was the shade Island Heatwave. There's a lighter one and there's a darker one, but what I'm really excited for is this. And they've changed their packaging, so they're saying it's more cardboard. They're not adding mirrors because they want it more like recyclable friendly, so they're going on like a different kind of vibe with their packaging. But I like it. It's cardboard, and you know I love cardboard packaging. When I talk about Colourpop, I really like cardboard packaging. And then this is what it looks like. Absolutely stunning. And I also got the brow tamer, which comes in, it actually has like a little spoolie. I didn't think it would come with one. And then the brow tamer actually comes in how the, what are they called? Primers come in. Okay, it's like an oil. Simply use the pipette to apply a drop to the spoolie brush, then gently comb upwards for a laminated brow effect which stays in place all day. That is gonna be very, very weird to test, like proper weird. I'm excited to try that now. I just thought it was gonna be something that you brush into your brows, but like the pipette was a brush. I'm excited now. I'm very intrigued by this. So yeah, that was my Barry M bits, and then you saw a picture of all my Relove stuff, which very, very excited for. I feel like today's vlog is going to be very short because I'm spending a lot of time filming, but I thought it'd be nice just to pop in, say hi, because a lot of you guys do like seeing what I do day to day when I'm at home. Also, I did just eat a load of pasta and tomato sauce, not ketchup, like just proper bolognese type sauce. It was so nice. Made it for me and my brother because my brother's limping at the moment. He hurt his foot going football, but that's a story for another time. And is this poking out? Oh no, it's not. Kind of looks like it is, but it's not. It's stuck down. So yeah, what I'm sad about is the mermaid highlight came and not the bloody palette. And also they didn't send me one of these in the shade Courage. So yeah, they messed up my order a lot. So gonna email them. I think there's been a few messes up. Like I saw someone's foundation had exploded, which I'm thankful mine didn't. I've got the mascara, I've got the liner. I basically got a whole face because I've got powder, brows. I love little kits like this. I never really use like brows pencils, contour. I got the highlights. You know I had to go for the goldy ones. They've got blush duos, which literally are just a little bit bigger than the e.l.f. ones. And then you saw the glosses. I got a primer. I got the hydrate one because you know I love a good hydrating primer. So yeah, I bought quite a bit, to be fair, of the range. They don't have lashes. They don't have like single bronzers and contours. Yeah, basically bought everything. The loose powder, I didn't buy a loose powder because don't use loose powders. I used the loose powder in today's first impressions. It was really nice, but I just don't use loose powders, so I'm giving that to Jodie. But yeah, that is everything, so I'll catch up with you in a bit. I'm gonna do a couple try on clips later on for my Primark stuff, but most of it I do have pictures for, which I'm quite glad because I don't feel like taking on and putting on a whole load of clothes. But yeah, let's do this lip swatch video. We can get on into testing that because I think that I want to try and put that up for tomorrow. I would try and put it up for tonight, but I just think that's just pushing it, to be fair. And it literally came at like 2 o'clock, so yeah, filming that, putting it up, it's just a lot. I feel like my voice is so dry lately. I found that I had water stored in the fridge. That's much better. Hello guys, this is me from the future. I completely forgot to finish the vlog. Not that I forgot, like I finished filming those videos and then I just wiped my makeup off and I conked. Literally conked. Like my partner came home from work around 7 and I think I was already like fully like near enough sleeping. So yeah, that day ended quite easy. But I do hope you guys did enjoy that vlog because I know it was short, but it was just like that day did go quite fast for me as well. And yeah, I just hope you guys did enjoy. Please smash a huge thumbs up. And I have so many more vlogs for you, literally. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.